If you are in the market for an entry-level toy hauler that is going to give you everything that you're looking for, including a bedroom that should not be this big and an overall length of under 30 feet, then you're going to love the all-new Lithium 2515. Just because it's entry level does not mean you're not getting everything you need and want in a floor plan. This will come standard with a 30-gallon fuel station found on the driver's side of this coach. Let's talk about the open concept garage. 13 feet 6 inches. Ramp patio kit's going to be standard. Also, a lot of storage you're going to find on both sides. You've got these nice netted baskets to retain any goods in transition, and it will continue in your cabinetry. Below that, you have cross-conversational seating. These will, of course, fold out to accommodate for your guests to sleep, and they will fold away to accommodate for your toys when you go into a destination. As we continue up into this, again, 13-foot 6-inch garage, you have an excessive amount of tie down. So whatever your configuration is, you will secure those toys safely. Also, over here, you still have room for entertainment. You can mount the TV right here as it's going to be prepped with storage that continues, as I said, with cabinetry. Across from that is where you've got everything you need in a kitchen. 3-burner stove with a glass top, so you can utilize this for prep. You also have an industry first, as standard, this is an air fryer. With the other appliances that are going to be standard, your microwave, 12-volt refrigerator as well. Very oversized, large sink, high-rise faucet, so you can bring those regular-sized pots and pans. What's not regular size are the massive amount of windows, giving you a lot of natural light when you are at your destination. When you're on the road and you have to use the commode, you do have access. You don't have to worry about slides in this floor plan, so you can use it when you are on the road. Starting off here in the bedroom, you have an east-west facing king-size bed with slide. That's giving you the most amount of space that I've ever seen in a toy hauler that's under 30 feet. You also have a nice added feature of access to that bathroom with privacy door from the master as well. A lot of storage has been able to be accomplished here in the front of the coach because of this east-west facing slide. So you have this beautiful built-in here and a huge cavity to allow you to store everything that you need for you and your family. So if getting a toy hauler at a competitive price is what you're after and not sacrificing getting everything you need and want, learn more about Lithium, the 2515 that we're in, by going to heartlandrvs.com.